Fundamentals of Nursing MCQ Practice Bank. Question number 1. The primary purpose of nursing process is to follow doctor's orders, provide systematic individualized patient care, complete paperwork efficiently, administer medications on time. The correct answer is provide systematic individualized patient care. Question number 2. The correct order of the nursing process is assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, evaluation. Diagnosis, assessment, planning, evaluation, implementation. Planning, assessment, diagnosis, implementation, evaluation. Assessment, planning, diagnosis, implementation, evaluation. The correct answer is assessment, then diagnosis, planning, implementation, evaluation. Question number 3. Which vital sign is considered the most sensitive indicator of a patient's condition? Blood pressure, temperature, respiratory rate, pulse rate. The correct answer is respiratory rate. Question number 4. Normal oral temperature in adults is 36 degrees centigrade or 96.8 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 38 degree centigrade or 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, 36.5 degree centigrade or like 97.7 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is 37 degree centigrade or 98 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 5. Normal adult respiratory rate is 8 to 12 breaths per minute, 20 to 30 breaths per minute, 12 to 20 breaths per minute, 25 to 35 breaths per minute. The correct answer is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Question number 6. Normal adult pulse rate at rest is 40 to 60 beats per minute, 100 to 120 beats per minute, 60 to 100 beats per minute, 50 to 80 beats per minute. The correct answer is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Question number 7. Normal adult blood pressure is 100 by 60 millimeters of mercury, 140 by 90 millimeters of mercury, 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury, or 130 by 85 millimeters of mercury. The correct answer is 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. 120 is systolic blood pressure and 80 millimeters of mercury is diastolic blood pressure. Question number 8. Which hand hygiene technique is most effective in preventing healthcare associated infections? Alcohol-based hand rub only, soap water washing only, proper hand washing technique with soap and water or alcohol rub as appropriate, gloves instead of hand washing. The correct answer is proper hand washing technique with soap and water or alcohol rub as appropriate. Question number 9. The WHO recommends hand washing for how long to be effective? 10 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 seconds. The correct answer is 20 to 30 seconds. Question number 10. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which level is the highest priority in nursing care? Self-actualization needs, esteem needs, physiological needs, safety needs. The correct answer is physiological needs. Question number 11. A nursing diagnosis is different from a medical diagnosis because it is made by the physician, focuses on disease identification, focuses on patient's response to illness or health conditions, requires laboratory test. The correct answer is focuses on patient's response to illness or health conditions. Question number 12. Which position is best for a patient with respiratory distress? Supine, which is also called as flat position, prone position, Fowler's position at 45 to 90 degree angle, Trendle, uh, Trendelenburg position. The correct answer is Fowler's position at 45 to 90 degree angle. Question number 13. Trendelenburg position means head elevated at 30 to 45 angle, patient flat with legs elevated higher than head, patient lying on left side, patient sitting upright at 90 degree angle. The correct answer is patient flat with legs elevated higher than head. Question number 14. The rights of medication administration. How many rights are there in the traditional standards? 5 rights, 3 rights, 7 rights, or 10 rights? The correct answer is 5 rights. Question number 15. Which of the following is not one of the 5 rights of medication administration? Right patient, right dose, right doctor, right route. The correct answer is right doctor. Question number 16. An intradermal injection is given at which angle? 90 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 15 degree angle, 30 degree angle. The correct answer is 15 degree angle. Question number 17. A subcutaneous injection is given at which angle? 90 or 45 degree angle, 15 degree angle, 10 to 15 degree angle, or 60 degree angle. The correct answer is 90 or 45 degree angle. Question number 18. An intramuscular injection is given at which angle? 15 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 30 degree angle, or 90 degree angle. Question number 19. The correct answer is 90 degree angle. Question number 19. The preferred intramuscular injection site in adult is deltoid muscle, dorsogluteal site, ventrogluteal site, vastus lateralis. The correct answer is ventrogluteal site. Question number 20. Which site is preferred for intramuscular injection in infants and young children? Deltoid, ventrogluteal, vastus lateralis, dorsogluteal. The correct answer is vastus lateralis. Question number 21. Sterile technique is required for which of the following procedures? Oral medication administration, taking blood pressure, urinary catheter insertion, oral temperature measurement. The correct answer is urinary catheter insertion. Question number 22. Which isolation precaution is used for airborne infections like tuberculosis? Contact precautions, droplet precautions, airborne precautions, standard precautions only. The correct answer is airborne precautions. Question number 23. What type of precautions should be used for all patients regardless of diagnosis? Contact precautions, airborne precautions, standard precautions, droplet precautions. The correct answer is standard precautions. Question number 24. A decubitus ulcer, which is also known as pressure ulcer, is most likely to develop over abdomen, bony prominences like sacrum, heels, or hips, upper arms, or scalp. The correct answer is bony prominences like sacrum, heels, hips. Question number 25. The Braden scale is used to assess risk for fall risk, pressure ulcer development, nutritional status, pain level. The correct answer is pressure ulcer development. Question number 26. A stage 2 pressure ulcer is characterized by intact skin with non-blanchable redness, partial thickness skin loss, shallow open ulcer, full thickness skin loss with visible fat, full thickness tissue loss with exposed bone. The correct answer is partial thickness skin loss, shallow open ulcer. Question number 27. Which nursing intervention prevents pressure ulcers in bedridden patients? Keeping patients in one position for comfort, repositioning every 2 hours, applying tight bandages, limiting fluid intake. The correct answer is repositioning every 2 hours. Question number 28. The Morse-Fall scale is used to assess pressure ulcer risk, pain intensity, patient's fall risk, nutritional status. The correct answer is patient's fall sick risk. Question number 29. Glasgow Coma Scale assesses pain level, level of consciousness, nutritional status, fall risk. The correct answer is level of consciousness. Question number 30. Maximum score on the Glasgow Coma Scale is 10, 12, 15 or 20. The correct answer is 15. Question number 31. A GCS score of 8 or less indicates mild impairment, normal consciousness, severe impairment or coma, moderate impairment only. The correct answer is severe impairment coma. Question number 32. Oxygen saturation normal range in healthy adult is 85 to 90%. 90 to 94%, 95 to 100%, and 80 to 88%. The correct answer is 95 to 100%. Question number 33. Which type of wound healing occurs when wound edges are brought together? Secondary intention, tertiary intention, primary intention, or granulation healing? The correct answer is primary intention. Question number 34. Which wound dressing is most appropriate for a dry wound to maintain moisture? Dry gauze dressing, hydrocolloid or hydrogel dressing, alginate dressing, foam dressing. The correct answer is hydrocolloid or hydrogel dressing. Question number 35. A nasogastric tube placement is confirmed by pH testing of aspirate and X-ray confirmation, listening with stethoscope only, asking patient if it feels right, visual inspection of tube. The correct answer is pH testing of aspirate and X-ray confirmation. Question number 36. Which fluid is isotonic and most commonly used for IV fluid replacement? 5% dextrose in water, 0.9% normal saline, 0.45% saline, 3% saline. The correct answer is 0.9% normal saline. Question number 37. Which IV solution is hypotonic? 0.9% normal saline, lactate Ringer's solution, 0.45% saline, or dextrose 5 normal saline. The correct answer is 0.45% saline. Question number 38. Sign of phlebitis at an intravascular site include cool pale skin, redness, warmth, swelling and pain along the vein, bleeding at the site, decreased urinary output, urine output. The correct answer is redness, warmth, swelling and pain along the vein. Question number 39. Urinary output below which level indicates oliguria? 60 ml per hour, 30 ml per hour, 50 ml per hour, 20 ml per hour. Oliguria means abnormally low rate of urinary output. The correct answer is 30 ml per hour. Question number 40. A Foley catheter is a type of intermittent catheter, suprapubic catheter, indwelling or retention urinary catheter, Farnham catheter. The correct answer is indwelling retention urinary catheter. Question number 41. Which nursing action is priority when a patient reports chest pain? Document the complaint and inform charge nurse. Give the patient water to drink. Assess the pain and notify the physician immediately. Reassure the patient it is normal. The correct answer is assess the pain and notify the physician immediately. Question number 42. SBAR, communication tool, stands for situation, background, assessment, or recommendation. Safety, bedside assessment, reporting. Situation, briefing, action, review. Summary, background, alert, response. The correct answer is situation, background, assessment, and recommendation. Question number 43. Which needle gauge is largest in diameter? 25 gauge, 21 gauge, 18 gauge, 23 gauge. The correct answer is 18 gauge. Question number 44. The purpose of performing a patient assessment on admission is to fill hospital forms, establish baseline data to plan individualized care, determine insurance coverage, assign the patient a room. The correct answer is establish baseline data to plan individualized care. Question number 45. Which pain assessment scale is most appropriate for non-verbal or unconscious patients? Numeric rating scale, visual analog scale, FLAC or behavioral pain scale, wrong Baker faces scale. The correct answer is FLAC or behavioral pain scale. Question number 46. Normal urine output in adult is approximately 200 to 400 ml per day, 800 to 1000 ml per day, 400 to 600 ml per day, 1500 to 2000 ml per day. The correct answer is 1500 to 2000 ml per day. Question number 47. Which of the following is a subjective data in nursing assessment? Blood pressure reading, skin color observed by nurse, patient's complaint of pain, respiratory rate counted by nurse. The correct answer is patient's complaint of pain. Question number 48. Objective data in nursing assessment refers to what the patient tells the nurse, family history reported by patient, measurable observable findings by the nurse, patient's feelings and perceptions. The correct answer is measurable observable findings by the nurse. Question number 49. Which ethical principle requires the nurse to do no harm to the patient? Beneficence, autonomy, justice, non-malfeasance. The correct answer is non-malfeasance. Question number 50. Informed consent means the patient sign a form without explanation, is given information and voluntarily agrees to treatment, is forced to accept treatment, is sedated before procedure. The correct answer is given the correct answer is given information and voluntarily agrees to treatment. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.